Number 21, do well. It means to perform effectively or successfully.
I hope you do well on your exam. I hope you do well on your exam. She's doing well in her new job. She's doing well in her new job. They did well in the competition and won. They did well in the competition and won.
Number 22, do an operation on someone. It means to perform a surgical procedure on someone.
The surgeon will do an operation on the patient tomorrow. The surgeon will do an operation on the patient tomorrow. They did an operation on his knee last year. They did an operation on his knee last year. She had an operation done on her after the accident. She had an operation done on her after the accident.
Number 23, take responsibility. It means to accept the duty to deal with something.
You need to take responsibility for your actions. You need to take responsibility for your actions. He took responsibility for the error in the report. He took responsibility for the error in the report. The company took responsibility for the mistake and apologized. The company took responsibility for the mistake and apologized.
Number 24, take an interest in. It means to show curiosity or care about something.
He's starting to take an interest in cooking. He's starting to take an interest in cooking. She took an interest in learning French. She took an interest in learning French. The child has taken an interest in music. The child has taken an interest in music.
Number 25, take advantage of. It means to utilize an opportunity fully, sometimes unfairly.
Take advantage of the sale to buy your clothes. Take advantage of the sale to buy your clothes. Don't let others take advantage of your kindness. Don't let others take advantage of your kindness. She took advantage of the good weather to go hiking. She took advantage of the good weather to go hiking.